Hi, welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're talking about the UPPAbaby MESA. Right out of the box, you're gonna get the car seat, the base, and the infant insert that can be used for newborns, even preemies, from 4 pounds to 8 pounds. The weight capacity of the UPPAbaby MESA car seat is 4 to 35 pounds, and the height capacity is 32 inches. This car seat is compatible with the UPPAbaby Vista and Cruise strollers. In terms of aesthetic features, the MESA has a few that sets it apart. It has a no rethread harness. Just pull on the tab at the top to move the headrest up and down, depending on your child's size, until it locks. It's made of breathable fabric for moisture wicking and very easy to wash. The MESA comes in 3 colors: blue, black, and gray, and it also comes with a 4th color, which is a white gray that's only available with special order. There are storage pockets for buckles on the sides to make it easy to put baby in and take baby out. Lastly, there's a button on the top of the carrying handle, perfect for easy one-handed removal from strollers. The MESA has some notable safety features. There is side impact protection integrated within the headrest itself. It is reinforced with EPP foam. It has an extendable hideaway canopy with UPF 25. The fabric is merino wool, making it the first car seat to pass federal safety standards without the use of added fire retardant chemicals. UPPAbaby ensures a 10-second install, so we're gonna go over how to install the base 2 different ways. To start, there are indicators on either side of the base to ensure that the car seat is sitting level in your car. Use the foot on the side of the base to adjust the level, and the indicators will change from red to green when you're good to go. Option 1 is the latch system. Within the car seat base, there are 2 orange buttons, which release a self-retracting latch on either side. Pull each of those down and click them into the lower anchors. Push down on the base until the indicator window changes from red to green. This shows that the base is tight enough. You may need to rock it from side to side a little. Check your installation, making sure that the base does not move more than 1 inch. Option 2 is the seatbelt lockoff system. Open the light blue lockoff door. Thread the seatbelt through the base, making sure that the belt is tucked underneath the blue ears, and then push down on the base while pulling the seatbelt tight. The tightness indicator will turn from red to green, so then you can thread the top portion of the belt through the belt path and close the lockoff door over the seatbelt. Again, check your installation, making sure that the base does not move more than 1 inch. Now we'll show you how to buckle your baby into the car seat. The harness must be at or below your baby's shoulders. Adjust the headrest height accordingly with a tab at the top. Buckle the car seat between the legs and then pull the slack into the strap at the bottom of the seat. Note that the crotch buckle location is adjustable for your baby's size as they grow. Buckle the chest clip at armpit level. Double check the tightness of the harness by using the pinch test at your baby's shoulders. You should not be able to pinch any slack. Your fingers should slide right off the strap. Next, we're going to attach the car seat itself into the base just by clicking it in, making sure that it's snug and ready to go. Overall, the UPPAbaby MESA is a sleek and sturdy option for keeping your baby safe. Thanks for watching. If you like this product or any of our other products, you can shop online at babycubby.com. To learn about other UPPAbaby products, click here. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.